Bye, ate. Enjoy school. I'll see you later. We will pick you up, okay? Tita Michelle, Tita Rich, Alo, and Indy. All of us. Well, I have to take Alo. Who's gonna look after Alo? Enjoy, my love. I love you, hair. Ah, thanks, baby. Bye. Love you. Love you. Ooh. Is it cold? Do you need a jacket? I'll get her jacket, babe. You know what to do out there? What are you gonna do with the jacket if you take it off?
Put it in my bag.
Okay. Alright, go hurry up. Bye.
Wait a second.
Alright, bye. Love you. Bye. Love you, Papa. You look good. Do you have an umbrella, my love? Yep. It's raining. In my car? See. Yep. Bye. Bye, ate. This boy. Hello, boy. Playing already?
No, I'm just finding his sword.
His sword? What does it look like?
It looks like he's gun right here and his sword right here.
What color?
Oh, the gun was dark and the
Dark? Black?
yeah
Black and yellow?
only brown.
Only black?
Only brown.
Brown? Oh my gosh, mate. Tingnan nyo to. It's not this one? Not this?
No.
Oh, so what are you looking for again? Bullet or a weapon?
A gun.
A gun.
A tiny gun don't need bullets.
A tiny gun that don't need bullet. And it's brown. Oh no,
Put
mate.
this on.
Uh-oh. You broke it.
Can you put this on?
Oh, mate. I don't know. This one? This one?
Oh yeah.
Ah, hello.
And mommy, can you put this on?
Oh, dang. Okay.
So,
This is hard work. These transformers are hard
and there's
work.
this tiny sword.
Oh, not by sword?
The tiny. It needs to be right in here.
Indy still asleep, guys. Grabe si Indy kagabi. Ay, naku, ewan ko na lang talaga.
And
Another tiny sword. So black as well?
yes.
Black
No.
as well?
And not yeah.
That's black. Is it the same color as that?
No. It is. It's yellow.
Yellow naman. These are really tiny stuff. You gotta look after them properly, Alo. Because if you lose them, it's really hard to find them. Do you know that?
But I didn't use them.
Hmm?
I didn't use them. I was with cousin.
You didn't use them. You were with your cousins.
Yeah.
But I didn't use them either.
Then you have to do it.
So it's yellow.
Yeah.
Oh my. Alright, maybe let's not make any more mess because we will go to the shops today. I'm gonna change your clothes. You choose a toy to bring to the shops with us.
This bumblebee toy.
You want to bring that one?
I need to find it.
Nakompleto na niya ata yung mga most of the transformers. Ang dami niyang natanggap transformer kahapon.
Mommy.
So from Uncle Rock, you got 3 transformers. Is this from Uncle Rock? And then the gorilla one? This one's cool.
Yeah. You don't even get this one. Like a car.
That's from Uncle Rock as
This
well.
is so easy.
That one's so easy. That's cool.
Push that one.
Alright,
And
May, I need to put this back,
then-
okay?
Mommy, that actually looks like he's baby.
Oh. Last night was really bad, you guys. Siguro yung tulog ko lang. isang oras na straight, tapos tigti 10, 15 minutes na, I don't know, siguro kung pagsasamahin, hindi umabot ng 3 hours yung tulog ko. Oh, good job. Now you broke it again. Mike, I'm not really good at doing this.
Who said that?
Hmm?
Who said that?
What do you mean?
It has said that too.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Si Indy, she was not happy. Like, umuupo siya, tapos umiiyak lang siya. Turo siya ng turo sa labas. Akala niya siguro, guys, umaga na. Gusto na niyang umalis. This started siguro mga 2. Inatulog ako mga 1 something na. So, wala talaga akong tulog. My goodness. So, bumaba kami ng mga alas 3 kasi binigyan ko siya ng medicine. Iniisip kasi namin parang nagtitithing siya. Like yesterday when we were out and about, she just keeps biting. Like whatever she can grab, she bites. Tapos sobrang naglalaway siya kahapon. So, iniisip namin, yeah, maybe she's teething. So, we gave her Panadol before bed last night. And then, yeah, kaninang umaga, mga 3:30, after ng daming iyak-iyak niya, bumaba kami dito para magpanadol. Tapos akala ko yun na yun. Siguro mga naka 30 minutes ako nun. Bumangon na naman, umiyak na naman. Tapos, kinukuha ko siya, pinapatulog ko siya, natutulog siya dito. Eh, paano naman ako? Nakaupo lang ako, natutulog siya dito. So, pag tinatry kong humiga, yeah. Pag tinatry kong humiga, umiiyak na naman siya. So, wala talaga akong tulog. Alam niyo nangyari? Umabot na ng 6 ng umaga. Tapos nakaupo siya, iyak siya ng iyak. Tapos hindi naman siya mainit. Tapos she's not due for another medicine. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng bigyan na naman. Tapos obviously, yung medicine wala namang nagawa. Iyak pa din siya ng iyak. So, nung mga 6 na, sabi ko, babangon na lang ako kasi wala na akong choice. Yung alarm ko 7 pa eh. Kasi wala, turo siya ng turo sa labas. Gusto niya lumabas. Napapatigil ko siya kapag hinahag ko siya. Tapos, yun nga, gumaganon siya sa shoulder ko. Pero kapag tinatry kong humiga, kasi kailangan ko din matulog. Kapag tinatry kong humiga, doon na nagigising na siya. So, wala talagang tulog na nangyari for me. And, yeah, so anyway, nung 6 na, sabi ko, labas na lang tayo. I got my phone. And nung pagkuha ko ng phone ko, humiga dito sa gilid. Dito sa gilid ko, nakaganon siya, ang cute-cute niya. So, scroll lang ako. Kasi tahimik lang siya, hindi na siya umiiyak. Nakatulog siya siguro sa pagod niya. Akala niya siguro, bedtime na. Nung umaga na, babangon na sana ako, akala niya bedtime na. Hindi na siya nagtuturo kasi nakatulog na siya. Hanggang sa nagising na sa daan, to sabi ko, huwag kang maingay kasi kakatulog lang yung anak mo. Ikaw kakagising mo lang, kakatulog lang yung isa. So now she's still sleeping. And aalis kami today. Yakult, no. Breakfast first. Do you want Weet-Bix? And then after you eat breakfast, I'm gonna change you.
Yesterday.
Yeah, same as yesterday. Do you want that one?
Yeah, the one I ate yesterday.
The one Ayla ate yesterday?
It's not breakfast.
Toast?
No, the one we ate yesterday. Like,
She had toast yesterday.
no, the one you ate like the same as like I ate it. Like you ate it.
What did I eat yesterday?
That's you like.
Hmm?
Like, that's you like.
The one that I like?
Yeah. The snack.
Otap?
Yeah.
I didn't eat that yesterday. I don't think we have any. No, we don't have any left. It's all gone, Meg. No more otap.
So like,
I can't make otap. Oh, are you serious? I got that one from Philippines. I got this one. You wanna try this one? Another biscuit? I like this one. Yeah.
I think that's a breakfast one.
This is not really breakfast, but I can give you this and then give you breakfast later.
Yeah.
Oh well, hello people.
Hello, people.
Hello people. Oh my
Hello, people.
Happy Monday.
Happy birthday.
Alam niyo bang si Indy tulog pa din? Nagising siya kanina, umiiyak, tapos natulog ulit.
Bye-bye,
Akala ko yun na yun. Akala ko yun na yung gising niya.
Sino?
So, inopen ko na yung blinds. Pinatay ko na yung white noise. So, wala ng white noise, guys. Natulog.
Sino dapat sino?
So, she's very tired. I told you, she was awake the whole time last night.
Umiyak.
Ito na yung tulog niya.
And then her sleeping and was trying, then I could sleep.
Yeah, she woke up, she was crying, and then Arlo sang her Chakabuti Ate. And then she fell asleep. Walang joke. Natulog siya.
Yeah.
Arlo's like, Mommy, I put hindi to sleep. Ang saya-saya ni Arlo. Hindi niya alam, pagod na pagod ang kanyang di. Alright guys, nakabihis kami because we will go shopping again. Well, I'm not planning to go shopping. But sasamahan natin ang girls.
Hi.
Balik tayo sa Harbor Town.
Hi. I'll pick you up today.
Meron kaming
Hi.
meron
Mommy,
kaming
you wanna show
unfinished
the girl?
business doon.
Hi. I'm hiding out of my house. He's stuck.
So last time pumunta kami doon, nung last punta nila dito, hindi namin napuntahan lahat. Like hindi kami naka-halfway. Because ang tagal namin sa certain shops, and then I needed to pick up the kids nga nung time na yun. So kinailangan naming umuwi agad. This time, alam na namin. I still have to pick up Ayla later. So meron kaming time limit. Pero at least alam na namin na meron kaming ipipick up. So meron kaming like oras ba. Last time kasi hindi kasi namin alam. Last minute ko na nalaman na, oh, you need to pick up the kids. So, pero I'm lutang na lutang today. Super lutang today. Arlo. I'm very lutang, Arlo. Oh.
Do you have lipstick?
No, no lipstick. See? See? No lipstick. Kiss. No lipstick. See? Hindi niya ako kinikiss. Kiss me! Oh, that makes me sad.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, it does.
No one's the one to taste your mother.
Huh?
I'm the one to taste your mother. No one.
No one kissed their mothers?
Yeah.
Hoy, don't say that. Oh, Tita Michelle's ready to look. Yeah, ako siya ganyan pakita ni Tita Michelle because your outfit.
Love it.
So,
I love it.
Ano din siya?
he's like,
Mommy, she didn't say wow. She just said, good morning, boy.
I love look.
Look at Tita Michelle. Wow. See? Dapat ganyan ang reaction.
Wow.
Wow, you look
I
amazing.
love it.
this is my little mommy's.
Kabaw ba kung wala ko itulog?
Nasty shit.
Kan ako sa dito gihapon.
We didn't chill.
Walay white noise open na. Wa na to gabi gyud ay. Sige naghilak. Wa ka kadungog. Sige hilak. As
We
in,
didn't chill.
every 20-30 minutes nanaog may pagkakadlawon kay nag
Michelle, we didn't
dili
chill.
wala siya kilan na wala gyud. Di ako siya gipinom tambal wala gyapon na akuan. Nagtuo siguro siya buntag na kasi tudlo. Sige tudlo. Kabaw ka sa oras na tulog 6.
We didn't share that.
So ni mata na anak ko bangon na lang ko kay wala naman yun. Di naman yun yung siya katog. Sige man siya lingkod niya. Sige siya tudlo sa gawas. Kaabangon na lang ko 6. Sa ako ikuha akong phone kay 7 di akong alarm. Tara ko sa akong phone. Ni kalitog ana sa akong shoulder.
Natug.
We didn't.
Kabaw ka ng
Nabali.
overtired na hati, di nakakatug.
Nabali.
Nakoy na nga times ka nang gikang shift, hindi mo nagkapoy na dyan ka. Ala, tibo ka adlaw ko gamata. Let's go downstairs.
Mana na siya kaon.
Why you got mommy my present but not me?
Huh? I didn't give mommy a present.
That's not a present for me, oy.
This is for you.
What?
Let's go. Let's go downstairs. Kainit na ako siya mag-iso on dito ticket. Isa ka check-in.
Ano man?
Pag-check-in siguro lahi nga seat. Ang
Agoy.
ihatag sa iya.
Nag-ready na siya.
Naligo na.
Oh.
Can I hold it?
You're not allowed to eat here in the room.
Yeah, not here, mate. The
Come on.
ants.
Only at the table right now?
Yeah, only on the table, ha? Napa na siya ikatag dito nga limpihon nun. Ha? Oh, yeah, of course. Ang ingay, di ba? Pero si D, ang sarap pa din ang tulog ni D. So, hayaan na lang muna natin yung si D. Maaga kami ang alis kasi nga, meron nga akong pick up mamaya. Akong pick up kay Ayla. So, agahan natin. It's only 9:05. Tapos sa labas na lang din kami kakain. Kasi kapag dito kasi kami kumain guys, matatagalan na kami kasi magluluto pa, kakain pa, magliligpit pa. Tapos kukulangin na yung time. Harbor Town pa naman kami, ang layo. Mga 30 to 40 minutes ang biyahe. Masusuot ko na finally. Ito yung isa sa mga birthday present ni Dan sa akin.
Right now.
Diba? Ha?
Calm down. We need to share it. I got you. I think Michelle Kimby. It's for me, and we need to share it. Because there's too many.
Yeah.
So, let's go downstairs. Bye.
So cute. Magagamit ko na siya finally kasi malamig today and even raining today. It is, temperature is, anong temperature? 17 degrees and raining. Dang. Alright, lapit na maubos ang ating Roberto Cavalli Paradiso. Ito yung same jacket na nabudol natin si Manay. Bumili din siya ng ganito. Maganda to. And alam nyo ba, wala na siya sa Adidas Burnside. I got this from Adidas Burnside. Again, last year, October, nung birthday ko. Tapos wala na siya. Meron na lang sila nung black. Maganda to kasi cropped. I don't wanna wake up, D. I really don't wanna wake up, D. Kano sa aday mo maabot dire? Yeah.
7 minutes. Pwede na yung din na.
Oh, pwede na. Ako rin,
Kira?
Yeah. Play American Pie.
Here's American Pie by Don McLean on Spotify.
Is that it?
Yeah.
And I look so beautiful.
Ah, thank you, Alo. Dito na kami guys sa Adidas.
Yesterday,
Tingnan yung suot ko, no?
Mommy,
Tingnan
you
nyo.
put that yesterday and put the same pants from IKEA and put the back and behind you and then just hold it in the one arm.
Who found the same jeans? Who found it?
Me,
You? Mommy will try it on, okay?
yeah.
Yeah. Ano nyo guys?
It's the same.
Naka-sale. Tapos ano pa yung sale nila ngayon? Additional 30% off. Lowest mark price. Good dancing, Alo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go, Koys.
Backwards.
Are you doing backflips?
I'm looking backwards from
Oh, backwards. Yeah, kana oh. Ang cute ng dalawa oh.
home.
Na kay Arlo yung phone kanina, ibinigay niya kay Indy. Naglaro sila. Aww. Oh no! Sus, buyag-buyag. Ako ay lutang na lutang. Dito kami sa fitting room ng Levi's naman kami ngayon. May mga pinasukan na kaming shops guys. Nakabili na sila. Ako wala akong gana. Sakit ng katawan ko. Parang ano ba? Weak. Indy, you have to sit down if you want me to put coins in. Indy, sit down. Tingnan niyo kung saan siya uupo. Indy, sit down. Let's sit down. Sit. Yeah, go sit.
Yeah. Some people
Sit down. I'll put coins in. Come on, sit. Tayo saan upo. Sarah. Ready? Ready? Are you sure, Alo? Ready? Ready?
Mommy,
Wait.
there's some coins.
I will get coins.
Sit.
Ready? Okay, sit. Whee! Yeah, sayo-sayo pa.
Hi.
Don't stand. Indy will copy you. Whee! Cute ng dalawa. Whee! Alo, sit down. She will copy you. It's dangerous. Dito mauubos pera natin kasi ayaw mag-shopping ni Mami. Aww. Is that fun, Didi?
Hi.
Hi. She's looking for you, Kois. Sit. Stay still. Whee! Oh no. Whee! Didi. Hello?
Lagi rice mo mami, wa man.
I don't have rice. I have noodles. You wanna try noodles? Yeah, sige. Ayan, noodles ko dalo. Kami, noodles.
Nunu, give me. That's some. My mommy, give me. That's four.
I'll give you a fork.
You want fork alo tara ang fork.
Didi, oh.
Ha?
Wala.
What? No noodles na tuloy. Why? You don't like noodles?
It's cold.
It's cold. Yeah, it is cold noodles. Yeah, it's cold. Nakakak yan. This one, this one. Ito, di ko kain.
Mama.
Alo, you want a cheese bread?
Yeah.
Look, Alo. What? What do you want?
Ma-charge siya? Wala. Tara dito. Wala ni charge. How about bread, alo? Kay alo.
Here, fork. Si Indy, na itong
Oh, yeah.
Makain kami guys. Kami na tayong kumakain. Yes. We're home! With my baby girl. And my baby boy.
I'm the baby.
Indy sleeping. My goodness. Buti pa si D. Nakakatulog anytime. Magnap ako, be? Na, makanap ako. Kunin ko yung monitor ni D. Magnap ako, guys. Dumating yung sinasabi ko kanina. Na, blazer. Try ko nga to. Habang naka-black ako. Ang ganda to eh. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina. Na na blazer nga sa Portmans. Yung parang denim yung kulay. Ito yung binili ni Manay, di ba guys? Nakita ko siya, tapos gustong-gusto ko siya. Tapos tinry din ni Manay. Tapos nagustuhan din ni Manay. Siya yung nakabili kasi nga wala yung size ko. So sabi niya, balikan natin yun. Balikan natin yun kasi dapat bumili ka din. Hindi ako nakabili nung araw na yun. Pero, chinek ko siya online the day after. I got the size 12, yeah. Oh, Michelle! Gusto mo ba ng onion? Sige. Just get a hold back, please. Yeah. Yeah, I got a size 12. Kasi yung kay Manay, parang double her size. Yeah, oo. Yeah, mas maganda kung oversized. Ganyan siya.
Portman?
Portmans. Portmans.
Akong gising Port Power.
Ay! Baka anong gagawin ko sa port power? Damit. Ito, size 12. Tamang-tama. Buti na lang size 12 din ano ko.
Tanawa si ate dahil.
Dahil tara na. Naghihintay na si CEO. Sa ating meeting. Ayan. I'm going for an interview. Diba? Parang hindi ko na masyadong bet. Okay lang naman. Jeans siguro. Hindi siguro ganito. Anyway. It's nice. Maganda indigo. Yun lang. Wala akong nabili kanina eh. Very good ako. Wala din akong gana guys. Ay, naantok ako ha? Yeah, wala akong binili kanina. Wala para sa kids. Wala lahat. Ano ba yung nagasta ko kanina? Ano lang? Lunch. Kumain kami ng lunch. And then, ano din? What else? Yung rides ni Indy at saka ni Arlo, $4 lang. Yun lang, very good tayo today. Asa ka mag-holder, ha? Sige daw. Gusto ko mag-nap? Gusto ko mag-nap. Mag-nap na ako. Yeah, yung pala gagawin ko, kunin ko yung monitor para si D. Ha?
Si Indy ba yun? Ate niya kami.
Kami, basta wala kayo po yung mag-snacking.
Ha?
Hindi kami, basta baki po yung mag-snacking.
Guys, I'm back! Who had a nap? Me! Nakanap pero mika gig nang look at our dinner! Chicken!
Sige lang.
Ooh! Ay, ang sarap. Go sis. Yum! Yummy! Yes, baby! Ang sa'yo guntingon? Ay, nako. Super bango. Yum. Nakahabol pa talaga onion, oh. Wala kami onion kanina eh. Bumili si Dan. Yummy.
Or more.
Oh, no.
Samok ka na si Buk.
Ang sabaw, ayaw ta. Nasiking sabaw, honor. Let's eat! What happened? Nagkit-kit na po niya dahil napiit na po ng baabaan na. Sarap ng chicken. Hindi pa nga natitikman. Sarap na.
I'll see after.
Nami no? Nami dahil. Ay.
Mommy, why didn't take me to Mama? Why you didn't get me to Mama?
Alan, eat your food. Play your food afterwards.
Okay. I like eating this one like this. Peeling it off.
Ngươi đợi sao? Đây, đợi sao? Ngươi đợi sao?
I'm not
Hindi
trying
yan ba puno?
Don't touch it. Your
Sa
food.
ko na kayo kaon lagi. Grabe, as in.
Oh, look what I'm doing. Mama, I
Chicken
didn't
corn.
make this milk, Mommy, yesterday. Mommy, I didn't make this milk.
Tingnan yung si D. Suot niya yung t-shirt ni Kuya. Isla's gonna say good night. Say good night. Give them a hug. Hug and kiss. You're not gonna see them tomorrow. Yeah. Tia ni Michelle. Hello. Can you wait? Can you give them a hug? Do you wanna sleep too? Give Tita Rich a hug. Titas! Say Tita! Maaga yan sila aalis bukas. Oh, hindi! Say bye, Tita!
Hindi, it's not your bedtime.
Yeah, Ayla wants to go to bed na. I'll help you with your jamas, baby. Come on.
Mommy, I want to go to bed.
He is. Hello, can we get you jamas, please? Come here. Come up here.
I want some
Okay, come on, jamas. Come on. All right, come on. Come up here and get jamas. And then you can come back quick. Tingnan nyo. Pinapatulog ko si Ayla, tapos kuha siya ng mga damit doon. Tapos gusto niya ipasuot. Ito yung na-declutter ko na dress ni ate. Let's go. Pakita niyo kay tita. Sabi niya, tita, you wanna show tita? Okay, let's show tita. Show tita, go. Tita, look! Tita, look! Tita! Okay, work. Happy Tuesday. You wanna wait? Yeah, you wanna wait for them? Pak na sila.
Lahat na tapos niya.
Alis na to sila.
Okay, thank God. We're out of your hair, Razzle. Uy. Uy. Saan naman ka? Uy. Gutom po ang talaga, no? Gutom ka na. Mapriyato ng hapon.
Guys, umuulan.
It's raining.
It's raining. Looks good, look. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Mababasa sila di. Say bye. Say bye, Tita Michelle.
Bye-bye,
Say bye, blue kiss.
Pang-gatiblan ako na eh.
Tulala ka na eh. Nanana. Ay, di ba ang clip?
Sulala.
Say bye, Tita. Enjoy. See you later. Uber. Ano na naman yung tinakbo niya? Tumakbo na naman si Tira Day. Bye, guys. Hala, imong arm, Inday. Si Kuya na lang siguro, anak. Bye. See ya.